Hello friends, I am Muthukumar. Today I am going to do the presentation about exempted income under section 10. Agriculture income section 10(1). Under this, section 2(1)(a) of Income Tax Act defines the term agriculture income. As per the definitions, the agriculture income means under first one, the revenue earned in the form of rent or lease generated from the land if the land is situated in India and the land is used for agriculture purpose. Second one, the income derived from the land by agriculture operations. Such operations include both basic and subsequent operations. Third point, the income derived from the processing of agriculture produce so as to render it fit for the market or sale of agriculture produce. The fourth point, the income derived from any building owned and occupied in and around the land agriculture. Amount received from a Hindu undivided family to a member of Hindu undivided family. Section 10(2). Income earned by the HUF is assessable in its own hand. To present double taxations, members of the HUF do not have to pay tax in respect of any amount received by them from the family. Exemption applies only in the respect of payment made by the HUF of its member. Under this, out of the income of the family or out of the income of importable estate belonging to the family. Next one, share of income of a partner. Section 10(2)(a). Partner shares in the total income of the firm taxable in the hand of firm, not to the partners, even though the firm income becomes nil. Any exemptions and deductions. Next one, interest paid to non-resident. Section 10(4)(1). As per the section 10(4)(1), in the case of a non-resident, any income by the way of interest on certain notified securities or bonds, including income by the way of premium on the redemption of such bonds, is exempted so far. Is exempted from tax. Next one, interest to non-resident on non-resident external accounts. Section 10(4)(2). As per FEMMA Act 1999 could be exempt provide such individual is a person resident outside India, is a person who been permitted by the RBI to maintain such account. Joint holders of NRE account do not constitute an AOB by merely having this account in the joint names. Fulfill the other conditions by each of the individual joint account holders. Interest paid to the person of India origin and who is non-resident. Section 10(4)(b). It should be noted that the explanations of a section 10(4)(b) states that the person shall be deemed to be of Indian origin if there he or any of his parents or any of his grandparents were born in undivided India. Next one, interest payable to a non-resident by an Indian company or business trust. Section 10(4)(c). In case of an Indian company or business trust have borrowed money from a source outside India by the way of issue of rupee denominated bonds, and such money has been borrowed between 17/9/2018 to 31/3/2019, interest payable to the non-resident shall be exempted. Money should not have been borrowed from a company or foreign company. Next one, income of specified fund such as result of transfer of capital asset referred to in section 47 via section 10(4)(d). In case a specified fund transferred a capital assets on a recognized stock exchange and located in any international financial service center, and consideration is paid or payable in convertible foreign exchange. Any income acquired or assigned is received in the respect of units held by a non-resident shall be exempted. Next one. Income of non-resident from transfer of non-deliverable forward contract with an offshore banking unit of an international financial service center. Section 10(4)(e). Any income acquired or assigned to or received by a non-resident as a result of transfer non-deliverable forward contract entered into the with an offshore banking until of an international financial service center as referred in the subsections 1a of section 80 LA, which fulfill such conditions may be prescribed shall be exempted from tax. Next one. Royalty or interest income of a non-resident from leasing of an aircraft which is paid by a unit of an international financial service center. Section 10(4)(f). Any income of a non-resident by way of royalty or interest on account of lease of an aircraft in a previous year paid by a unit of an international financial service centers as referred in the subsections 1a of section 80 LA shall be exempt from the tax if the unit has commenced its own operations on or before 31st March of 2024. Thank you, friends.